Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to cut and sew a beautiful scrunchie. If this is something you're interested in, stick around and watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Before we begin, let's talk about the different types of fabric you can use to make a scrunchie. You can use silk, satin, cotton, chiffon, and many other fabrics. However, for today's tutorial, I'll be using a floral cotton fabric. Without further ado, let's get started. For this scrunchie, I'm using a piece of fabric that measures 28 inches long and 5 inches wide. You can also use a width of 4 inches. But I'm choosing 5 inches because I want the scrunchie to be fuller and puffier. You'll also need an elastic band measuring 8 to 9 inches long and 3/4 or 1/2 inch wide. I'll be using an 1/2 inch elastic for this tutorial. Now let's start sewing.